Well, hey everyone. So, I messed up. Or the camera messed up. Somebody messed up. But I filmed a load of content for the channel. I've done the work already. And then I lost all the starter footage completely. Literally, the first probably third of the job that I did, gone. So here I am now, filming an intro to hopefully make up that difference. So let me explain. I got a roof rack for the Discovery 2, this is what I'm in now. This is the vehicle we use for our adventures, our camping and everything. I got a new roof rack for the roof tent and the awning, and it needed refurbing, it needed repainting, and make it look nice, basically. So yeah, so stick with us and enjoy the next few segments of me having a go, doing it by myself, just a normal bloke in a garden with a normal set of tools, nothing special. So yeah, enjoy. Let's try again because my SD card can't keep up. Alright, so this is what we're kind of going for here. Trying to clean all this up. I'm going to paint it all up. And then we're going to mount the tent that's over there. Some bits don't look too bad. Some worse than others. So, and that needs doing. I just thought about doing the little legs, and I'm going to do the face of Discovery because that's definitely going to be an important part to do. It looks pretty cool. Yeah. I apologise for that. I thought the video would just be me grinding loads, so I cut it short. But we can see the finished product. So I've just ground it all away, tidied up all these edges, all the bits that need just a bit of spray. Nothing crazy. I'm going to wipe it all down, and then we're going to get to some spraying hopefully. So ideally, I'm just going to use a piece of wood as a backboard and spray the crap out of this. Hopefully, this works. Okay, so the paint's done for a second. First coat. Looking nice, making the whole thing look nicer. Definitely going to do another coat on this area. I can see it thinning out already. But we are winning. Winning. So far so good. It's looking nice. Looking much better now. Let it dry and I'll be back in a bit. Okay, smash some food, little break. There's another job we need to figure out next. So I've got an awning. I have an awning and it's got some brackets. I need to figure out how I'm going to mount this awning to this new rack. I'm really not sure how to for a minute. It looks like I might need to possibly even bolt this on first. I'm worried though. It would fit like that when you open the tent that way. Is there always one side I couldn't open? I can't remember now. Ugh. Because these could easily be bolted to here. And there. One there. I would just bolt it to that, I wouldn't even care. But how wide is the tent? Okay, we know the tent's ladder end is that end. So it's about 145. Okay, so it is quite close to that, so that's good. So if I mounted that outwards on that bracket, if I had that there, that would work nicely. Alright, holes are drilled, not too tidy, don't care. Let's get these mounted. Okay, awning. Let's see if we're going to mount it. Right. That looks pretty cool. Alright, let me clear up, move some stuff around, and get a drink. I'll be back in a minute. So I'm going to try and bolt the brackets to the tent, and might have to cut some bolts down from the awning, but I don't need to worry about that right now. Let's just get the tent bolted, and then we'll see how it is looking. So I'll show you all of this in a minute. We've already had to flip the rails on this tent 90 degrees because nothing fitted, of course. So if I roll that into there, into there, happy days team, we're back. So just to show you what is going on. So what I'm going to do is I want the tent just resting on this bar. Okay, so I'm definitely going to need some room there to put my hands in. I need to open the tent. Okay, so that's there. That actually looks pretty good, exactly where it is now. I friggin' love this thing. Oh my god. Okay. Let's pull some tools away, see if we can flip this thing over. I've definitely bent this back bit. Okay. Not a bad effort at all. Nice. Oh, that looks so good. So freaking good now. Honestly, I think we have done amazing. I think we've absolutely smashed it today, guys. Yeah, I can't be happier now. Before, the tent was 90 degrees and you wouldn't have been able to open it because of the lips that we had, the ones that we cut off. Now it should be lower down. The awner's mounted to it. I've literally just got to lift this on top of a car somehow, but small steps. Right. See you on the next one, guys.